Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the system abnormality issue on Binance. A lot of people are getting it currently. As you can see, I fixed it for myself. I have the Binance Lite and the Binance Pro app open. It's all good. It's working. And here's what you can do. Before we start, just make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new. It really helps out. So if you're getting this error, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have proper internet connection on your part. So make sure that when you go on settings, you're not on airplane mode, your mobile data is on, and when you go to the Binance app itself, Binance, where is it? Binance app, that you have background app refresh on, mobile data on. This is the first thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do here is go on Twitter and make sure that you're not the only one that has this issue. So if you're trading crypto, you need Twitter. News, everything is there. So click on search and add Binance. And when you click on latest, you want to see if other people have this issue as well. For example, not right now, people don't have issues. But a few days ago, I had a huge issue. My balance showed 0 on Binance, and it seemed that other people have it as well. So make sure that other people are not having this as well. If no one else is having it, it's just you, what you can do is go on the App Store and just download the latest version of Binance. Type in Binance, install it, and that should fix the issue. If you still have issues, you should submit the ticket to them or let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.